Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about colors and shapes. The first color is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, gray, and white. Now, let's say that one more time, and here it is so you can read the colors at the same time. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, black, gray, and white. Okay, these are some simple colors, basic colors. Now, what are these shapes? What shapes do you see? You probably know circle, heart, triangle. But there are some more shapes here. So let's say the color with the shape. A red circle. A red circle. An orange heart. An orange heart. A yellow triangle. A yellow triangle. A green moon. A green moon. A blue sun. A blue sun. A purple diamond. A purple diamond. A pink cylinder. A pink cylinder. A brown line. A brown line. A black arrow. A black arrow. A gray star. A gray star. A white square. A white square. Look at the color gray. The color gray has two ways of spelling it. You can spell it with an E or with an A. Both are okay. All right. So what color is the shape? This is the question you ask to find out the color of something. So let me ask you some questions, and I'd like you to practice this on your own. What color is the moon? What color is the sun? What color is the triangle? What color is the square? What color is the cylinder? And what color is the circle? Your answer should be: the moon is purple. The sun is yellow. The triangle is red. The square is green. The cylinder is black. And the circle is pink. All right. Thank you for watching. Please catch my other videos. If you can, subscribe, like. If you enjoy the videos, come back and check often, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.